Welcome back to A La Carte Cooking. On this episode, we are doing a Kentucky Christmas. Yee-hoo! So this is another audience given one from a gentleman named Mike. This guy's creative. You might be seeing more of Mike's stuff. Ooh, there you go. We'll have a series called Mike's Stuff.
Ooh.
So on this one, very simple. 2 parts whiskey, bourbon, and of course we are using Kentucky. And then we're gonna use 2 parts of white chocolate liqueur. What makes this cocktail more interesting, right? These are very simple ingredients. Well, we're gonna top it with shaved white chocolate. I don't have white chocolate in my house typically, but I have these little Hershey Kisses and they're awesome. They're made of white chocolate and Oreo, so hopefully I can shave the white chocolate without getting Oreo in there. We'll see. And then we're gonna do a 2 to 1 part, so 2 parts cocoa powder, 1 part cinnamon powder, and we're gonna top it with these 2 things. Okay, let's get going. I have no idea how this is gonna taste, but I'm very excited. And you can pour it over ice. I decided to pour over bullets. That's right, you heard bullets. I got a 6-shooter right here, bang, bang. It's awesome. They're a little frosty because they came out of the freezer. Oh, isn't that wonderful sounding? 2 ounces of this delicious Knob Creek bourbon. Not Knob Creek, sorry. This is Woodford Reserve. Here's our white chocolate liqueur going in. Man, this smells good already. 2 parts, 2 ounces. We're gonna stir this up while we do this. Bullets go in. Now these aren't real bullets. Not very sanitary. These are actual bullets that you can buy off of Amazon. I'm pretty sure these came off Amazon. I think they're liquid filled and double walled, so they freeze up very nicely. They hold temperature pretty well. And then you can just put cocktails over top. They're really fun. It's a novelty thing, right? It's not gonna dilute your cocktail or anything, but it's fun. Gonna strain this out, and then remember, we're gonna put all of these little ingredients on top. So in this goes. How fun is that? Oh, bullets disappeared. Oh, even better. It's like a surprise every time. You take a sip and oh, there's a bullet. We're gonna microplane this. First time ever trying to microplane a Hershey's Kiss. See what I mean by the little Oreo? Ooh, it sits nicely on top. How nice is that? If you don't have one of these microplanes, you're fantastic. Bam, microplane. You can use these to zest everything. We use it for orange zest, lemon zest, Parmesan cheese, and then just a pinch of this. Kind of top it. If you want to get real fancy, you could probably use a sifter. There we go. Smells delightful. Ooh, damn, that's good. This is really good. It's nice balance. Very simple. You must be wise on your whiskey of choice, because it's a very simple cocktail. So the type of whiskey that you choose is going to shine through. Same with your white chocolate liqueur. On these types of cocktails, when you only have 2 ingredients, you want to be very particular on what you put in there, because if it's a low quality or has a very unique profile to it, it's gonna shine through. This, I think, is a good balance. The Woodford Reserve, I got it right this time, and the Shilin white chocolate liqueur, great compliments to each other. I think the garnishings on top are fun. What a great cocktail. Simple cocktail. Thank you for audience again. Another fantastic cocktail. If you like this, hit that the like button, subscribe button as well. It's called a like subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.